Okay, so now we have solved question 1, part 1 actually, or part A. Now we are going to do question 1, part B. Okay, it says that your vessel, your own vessel, okay, having a latitude of 01 degrees 03.5 minutes north, and your longitude 104 degrees 18.3 minutes east, and you are going to supply bunker to MV Singapore, which you already know the MV Singapore location, okay, or MV Singapore latitude and longitude position that you have find early on. So MV Singapore, okay, is at 01 degrees 16.87365 minutes north, and the longitude will be 103.54.37323 minutes. This is what we derived from the previous calculation. 54.37.323. Okay, 54.37.323. Just want to check that. Okay, straight away you got 2 points here, 2 actual true points of the position without actually wasting no time. You know that you can get the D-let out of this, okay, and the D-long out of this, okay, by either subtraction or minus. Okay, so we will do the workout here. So one is finding the D-let, okay. The D-let is the final, because you see properly here from a 03, okay, 1 degrees from 03 it goes to 16, okay, so the D-let actually goes up to a higher latitude, goes north, right? So it is going to be in northerly direction, so you minus off the difference in latitude, and you will have the final latitude minus the initial latitude, okay, and you will have 101 16.87365 minutes north minus 01 degrees 03.5 minutes north, and you will have the D-let as 13.37365 minutes north. So this is your D-let, right? So how about your D-long? Okay, from 104, which is here, we are going to 103, okay, so we are going in this way, okay. If this way, that means we are going into west, okay. So a D long will be in westerly direction. Okay, so in this case, the initial longitude is bigger than the final latitude. So the D long equals to the initial longitude minus the final longitude. Okay, 104 18.3 minus 103 54.3 7323 is, and you will have your D long as 23.92683 minutes west. Right, so so we have the D and we have the D long. We need to find the mean D or the mean lat. We need to find the mean lat. So before finding the mean lat, okay, before finding the mean lat, we have to find the mean D lat. So the mean D lat is equals to the D lat divided by 2. So 13.37365, let's divide by 2, and you will have our mean D lat as 6.68683 minutes north, and therefore the mean lat equals to, because this is still north and you're north, so you add up what you add up, the initial will add with the mean D lat, because now we have this information. We can look at the drawing, our sketch. Okay, so this is your own vessel. Your own vessel travels north direction, okay, and from north direction it goes to west direction, okay, and this is how your vessel proceed. Okay, so this is your initial at 01 degrees 3.5 to 01 degrees 16. Okay, so I will add, I already have the means difference latitude, so we'll add. So the initial latitude plus the mean D lat. Okay. Answer, my mean lat now, okay, my mean lat is in the position of 01 degrees 10.18685 minutes north. Okay, so coming back to here, this will be your cost, and this is distance, also known as the hypotenuse, the distance of which we do not know. The departure, also known as the opposite, okay, which we do not know, but we do know the D long. So later we will calculate, and this is your D lat, okay, which is your adjacent. Okay, so we have the trigo functions here. After finding the mean lat, it only makes sense that we are now going to find we find the D lat, okay, first always, and then next we will find the departure. Okay, we find the departure, because finding the departure, okay, finding the departure, we still cannot use the trigo functions. Okay, we cannot use the trigo functions because we only have the D lat, we have the D long, however, and we don't know the cost. Okay, so since we have the D long and we have the minlet, we know earlier on that the D long or the D-lat is in a ratio of each other with reference to the latitude. So we use that formula. Okay, we use that formula. Just now I've already written the formula, okay, still remember. Now we need to find the departure is under 1 under 4. Okay. The cosine minlet, okay, is in the ratio to the departure and the D long, right? So we want to find the departure. Okay, I rewrite it. The departure will equals to the D long times cosine minlet, okay, which equals to the D long we have is 23.92683 minutes times cosine minlet here 0110.186.825 minutes north, okay, and we will have the departure as 23.92184 minutes west. Now we will have departure. Now we have the D-lat, and we can apply our trigo functions to find the others. Okay, so D-lat, D long, that leave us with the cost and the distance. Okay, so next we will find the cost. Okay. So finding the cost now, okay, we have the A and the O. Okay, we will use tangent. Okay, remember, so because T equals to OA, okay, which equals to tangent cos equals to opposite is departure divided by adjacent is the D-lat. Okay, and so cos equals to shift tangent departure divided by D-lat, also equals as tangent shift departure 23.92184 divided by D-lat 13.37365. I will have the answer as 60.79 minutes, degrees, sorry, degrees, and so this is 60 degrees north and west, okay, or or this whole angle here is the true, so we take 360 here, we minus. Okay, so we have 299.21 degrees true. So this is your cos. And now we need to find distance. Okay. The distance now will be having all the information except the distance. We can use a trigo function. So the trigo function states as we need to use H, either O or A. Okay, so always prefer to use daylight, okay, due to the equidistance from all over latitude. So we will use A and H, so we use cosine, car. So cosine cos equals to AH dlat divided by distance. We need to find the distance, and we rewrite as distance equals to dlat divided by cosine cos. Okay, with 13.37365 divided by cosine 60.79, I have the answer as 27.4043 miles. Okay, so part B has finished. Okay, and now we are going to do 1C. Okay, it says that we have time, okay, at 10 o'clock or 1000 hours. Our speed is 9.8, and our distance, okay, we get the distance here is equals to 27.4043 miles. Okay, just to find our ETA. Okay, so the formula that we need to use is actually I will use it this way. Okay, speed equals to distance divided by time. Okay, so if I need to know the streaming time. Okay, so the streaming time, for how long? So the distance traveled, okay, divided by the speed, which is equals to 27.4043 divided by 9.8, and the distance and the streaming time is 2.79636 hours, which is also equivalent to 2 hours and 48 minutes approximately. Okay, so we have the streaming time, so the ETA equals to the current time, or the time that initial start plus the stream time. Okay, so then 00 hours plus, okay, total of 2 hours and 48 minutes equals to 4800 hours. This is your ETA, and we are done for question 1.